Interesting things that I'm just going to go a little bit further on. In this particular case, I did an analysis. I did an intersection analysis to see what it would look like when I'm driving down the road, to see what I could look at from one area to another area. And I basically now I have a customer and I say, okay, well, what was the result of that analysis? What did it look like? And I'm saying, well, I can now show you, and we could actually fly through my analysis, right? So this is a little long-winded in terms of what it's doing, so I'm going to talk about it as it's going along and tell you about some of the features. So this is actually what I've done. I'm just going to take a look and we're going to zoom in at that area. I actually have a feature class just called test flight. All I've done is digitized a flight, went through, did a little loop around. I can select that guy right there, say add a route. It's going to go and create my route for me. I save that route. You can persist that from one to another. I can basically say how high up I want to fly this guy, and then of course I can give it the speed going through there. Simply once I select that, it's going to go snap down and start to fly me through that analysis. Now one of the things that Danny talked about is I can then save that as a flight path. But the really cool thing is right now, the way the flight path is working, I'm looking like this, right? I'm not seeing anything else. But now I can actually edit it and I can turn myself around if I want to. Or I can actually take myself outside of the flight path and put myself to the left of it and look back at it. So if you're looking at a road that's coming down here and you want to not be looking at the road from that point, you want to look at it from over here, you can do that as well. And then I can save all of that. I might be coming down and I might want to stop here and then maybe look around a little bit. We can do that in the part of the flight path as well. So it's very, very powerful in what you can do. We've done much, much more than what you could normally do with just a simple flight path. Okay?
Did you mention that you could step outside the plane and look at it?
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, if I wanted to, I'm in the vehicle, I can step right out and I can look right back where I was from, okay? And we've been able to do all that. So it's incredibly good. The only thing is at this point when I did this, the flight path stuff still wasn't together. That's one of the things I cannot demo now, but you get an idea of what it can do. Okay?
I think you had a vision of